name is Elizabeth. Today we will talk about one of the random sampling methods to measure population called quadrat sampling.
For assessment statement under the topic of G1 Community Ecology, G1.3 states that describe one method of random sampling based on quadrant methods that is used to compare the population size of two plant or two animal species. In short, the answer will be quadrant sampling is a sampling method in which sampling units or quadrats are placed randomly or in a grid pattern on the sampling area. The occurrence of organisms in these squares is noted. Then, when is it useful for? First of all, it's useful for determining community composition and features of population abundance. It's also useful when organisms present are too numerous to count in total. Plants and slow-moving animals are easily recorded, but rapidly moving or cryptic animals need to be trapped or recorded using another appropriate method. Now, let's look at the procedure. First of all, determine adequate size of each quadrat and the number of quadrats. On these low-growing plant communities like alpine meadow, fields, and grasslands, you'll need small quadrats like 0.25 square meters. If your quadrats are this small, then you'll need as many quadrats. On the other hand, on these high-growing plant communities like woodland, you'll need larger quadrats like 4 square meters. However, you'll need as less quadrats. For my example from now on, I'll use 4 by 4, thus 16 quadrats of 1 square meter. Now, to make a grid pattern, get a string. Then measure 4 meters. With some extra for tying later, like this, cut it out. Then, mark 1 meter interval like this for convenience for tying later. Now, make this marked strings for 3 more times. Then, make unmarked but similar sized 6 more strings. Then, tie them and make it to 4 by 4 grid. Finally, go to the area in which you'll measure the populations of species and place the grid. In the real lab of mine, it looked like these. Isn't this fantastic? Now back to our example, there are a bunch of plants and insects, so you need to identify which sample you'll count. For our example, this blue diamond will be the sample 1, the yellow diamond will be the sample 2, the red diamond will be the sample 3. Now you need to count. Now we need to decide how many randomly chosen quadrats we will use that will represent the whole area. To decide the suitable number of quadrats, plot cumulative number of species on y-axis against number of quadrats already taken on x-axis. The point at which curve levels off like this red point will be the suitable number of quadrats required. In this case, it is 7. So, now using a random number generator, choose random 7 numbers like this. Now record the number of each species in these chosen quadrats before. In our case, quadrant number chosen by random number generator was 1, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 14. Record the number of each species, yellow, blue, and red diamond, like Boom! Now we are done with the lab and we need to calculate the estimated density of species 1, 2, 3 in this area. The formula is total number of quadrats divided by number of quadrats multiplied by area of quadrat. For yellow diamond, sum of number in all quadrats is 3. Number of quadrats sampled was 7, and the area of quadrat was 1 square meter. Therefore, the estimated population density of yellow diamond is 3/7 square meters. For red diamond, sum of number in all quadrats is 4. Number of quadrats sampled and area of a quadrat is same as other species. Therefore, the estimated population density of red diamond is 4/7 square meters. For blue diamond, finally, sum of number in all quadrats is 2. Number of quadrats sampled and area of a quadrat is same as other species as well. Therefore, the estimated population density of blue diamond is 2/7 square meters. How can my method applied in our test? The sample IB question I found was outline the quadrat method of random sampling and how it could be used to determine and compare the population size of two plant species. The perfect answer will get total 8 marks. Now stop the video and write the answer on a piece of paper. Think carefully the requirements of this method that was used in this video. The complete points are like the following. Do you think you mastered quadrat sampling now? Thank you!